Hello and welcome to my course. This course is an amalgamation of the lessons I learned while training for a UK PPL, a private pilot's license. It is also a series of videos that describe the fun, freedom and excitement you can enjoy at the controls of an aircraft. I have included advice and tips for anyone thinking of learning to fly, with additional information for those considering making a career of it, as well as supplemental information for anyone who wants to experience flight without committing to lessons. You won't find any technical instruction in my course, as I've left that to the qualified flight instructors. Instead, I have provided links to recommended products that teach the PPL syllabus, written by highly experienced aviators. This course is designed to inspire you to book a flight experience, to take your first flying lessons, to motivate you when you're wondering if you made the right choice, and to encourage you to use your license and not let it gather dust on the shelf. Inside this course, you'll also find tips on how to save money during training, a review of the aviation industry today, and a look at what's in store in the future. The lessons are in the form of voice recordings like this with the text on screen, so that I hope it will be easier to follow by those for whom English is not their first language. Each lesson lasts a few minutes, as this seems to be the optimal length, since it's long enough to include all the most important content for each section's subject matter, but not so long that you lose interest or get bored. By the end of this course, you should be much better informed and well equipped to begin your journey into the world of aviation. My advice is to listen to each lesson at least once and take notes. Think of each lesson as a launch pad to further research and investigation. Where appropriate, I have added links to sites that I believe will provide you with additional useful information and to tools that will make the task described easier. Obviously, I've no idea what you already know, so you may find, if you've already got some experience, that I'm stating the obvious. But I have made the assumption that the majority of my viewers know nothing, and I have therefore designed this course accordingly. You are free to skip any lesson, but I would recommend that you do complete each one at least once. I have found through completing similar courses that my presumption was incorrect, and that by following the lesson I learnt something new, or was reminded of something I had forgotten. Disclaimer. To conclude this introduction, I'm obliged to read out this disclaimer and disclosure. My company name is Redspan Solutions Limited, and it's registered in England and Wales. The business website is www.redspan.com. The information contained within this course is for general information purposes only. The information is provided by Redspan Solutions Limited, and while we endeavour to keep the information up to date and correct, we make no representations or warranties of any kind, express or implied, about the completeness, accuracy, reliability, suitability or availability with respect to the course or the information, products, services or related graphics contained within the course for any purpose. Any reliance you place on such information is therefore strictly at your own risk. In no event will we be liable for any loss or damage, including, without limitation, indirect or consequential loss or damage, or any loss or damage whatsoever arising from loss of data or profits arising out of or in connection with the use of this course. Throughout this courseware, you are able to link to other websites which are not under the control of Redspan Solutions Limited. We have no control over the nature, content and availability of those sites. Disclosure policy. The owner of this course, Redspan Solutions Limited, is a participant in affiliate schemes. This means that we provide links to sites, tools and services that may generate a small commission for Redspan Solutions Limited if by doing so a sale is generated. This makes no difference to the price you pay. The sites, tools and services to which we link from this course are chosen based on their suitability for the tasks described, and not on the basis of any affiliate commission that may be generated by a sale.